If you want to see how I made this using just one ingredient, please keep watching. You can use this cute bubble sugar to decorate your cakes and desserts, and this is very easy to make. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make bubble sugar with just one ingredient, glucose. Yes, so all you need is your glucose, your spatulas, your toothpicks, your soap mats, and you can as well use parchment paper or baking paper and some base for them to go into the oven. So I'll be showing you also how to color them. That's why I have more spatulas and toothpicks here. So let's get into this video. So when you're spreading, you have to make sure it's very thin and flat. If it's too thick, your bubbles won't appear properly and it will take a long time to cook. That way it might burn a little. So spread them thinly. So for this one, I'm just going to make a plain bubble sugar. So try as much as possible to spread them out. Spread it. If you do this properly, your bubbles are going to appear better. But if it's too thick, your bubbles might not be that visible. As I can get it. So we're not going to. So I'm going to. For the colored ones, I'm just going to spread out very long parts. And spread out a lot. Just taking a little bit of so the parchment paper can sit properly in the pan. Should have done that earlier. Trouble. Try as much as possible to spread it out thinly. That way you're going to get a lot of nice bubbles in your sugar. I'm just going to color this part in blue. Okay, this is purple. And mind you, this it takes colors very well, so little goes a long way. So I'm just going to swap the colors. So you can also color them in gold. I usually, when it's ready, usually what I do is I paint it in gold color. But for today's purpose, for today's video, I feel maybe we should go in with the gold now. Let's see how that turns out. So there goes nothing. This comes out well. It looks really nice. So I'm just going to bake this now in my preheated oven. And I'll bake for 30, it depends, I'll bake for 30 to 1 hour, between 30 and 1 hour. You just need to know how your oven cooks. If it cooks faster, then you should know when it will be ready. And also another tip is when you're baking it, avoid opening your oven door too often, because that way the bubbles might collapse when it's already coming up. So I'm just going to bake now, and I'll be back. Stay tuned, and please give this video a thumbs up, like it, and share, and subscribe if you're not. Thank you. So our bubble sugar is ready. House. How beautiful it turned out. I really like this gold one. Yes. So I baked them for about 45 minutes. Yeah, they're about 45 minutes, and I now let them cool a bit in the oven before bringing them out. So this is what it looks like. See the bubbles, see how they appear, so beautiful. And these are the other ones. Let me just put them in more. So again, the reason why I got these different shades of color was because they were caramelizing, so this purple was not turning into a different color. So I'll try to get one first. This one, I really love this. So. So these tiny pieces, you can use them for more stuff, I guess. Yeah, if you're trying to make a geode cake, you can break this up and use them for your geode cake as well. It'll come out really nice. So as it is, it's ready. Now how to store them. You can get like a small container or a Ziploc bag, and you place them in a Ziploc bag and place parchment paper on top of each so they don't stick together, if you get me. So you place them in a Ziploc bag or in a container, an airtight container, and it should stay for up to 5 days or more, depending on how the temperature of your room is. So one more thing. Yeah, you can just do this in different colors and store them, and when you need to decorate with them, they're just available for you to use, so you don't need to start baking and the rest. So thanks for watching this video up till now. Thank you so much. Please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and turn on your bell notifications so you get my videos whenever they drop. Thank you so much, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.